Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings. After that you will go to the window of apps and you can click. Then you can search about Zoom and you will enter. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Zoom. If you will find update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.